At Aiskool, we empower students with future-ready skills in robotics, coding, and advanced technologies through hands-on learning experiences. Welcome to Aiskool. Our structured learning journey starts with young innovators and grows into advanced creators. A tiny and proton block introduce students to basic logic building and simple electronics through fun and interactive modules. With Scratch Junior and Creative Coder, students explore the world of visual coding and develop creativity through animations and games. Micro Fundamentals and Robo Junior build a strong foundation in electronics and beginner robotics. App Inventor allows students to create their own mobile applications, turning ideas into real-world solutions. With MicroBuild and Robo Senior, learners advance into complex robotics, circuits, and problem-solving skills. E-Drona introduces drone technology, teaching students the basics of aerodynamics and control systems. 3D Tinker enables students to design and visualize objects using 3D modeling tools. Arduino Maker focuses on hardware programming, giving students real-world experience with electronics and automation. IoT Pro connects devices to the internet, helping students build smart, connected systems. With Python Connect and Python Build, students master Python programming and develop powerful applications and projects, building the innovators of tomorrow. Aiskool.